How to fix Wolt Delivery App not working. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store. Now search for the app Wolt. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, open your settings. Now scroll down, head towards the option of General. Go ahead and click on the option of iPhone Storage. In this page, you will be able to find all the apps that are installed in your device. Go ahead and find the app Wolt. Once you find it, open it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the solution doesn't work for you, you can apply solution 3. That is, you have to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, click on this option of Delete app. Deleting will also delete all of its documents and data. This section cannot be undone. Click on Delete app. With that, you have deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this. Launch your App Store, search for the app Wolt. Once app appears, install it. By applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Wolt Delivery app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.